them to our draft selection because they stand for a lot of the same things that we do. You might be very familiar with them as they're the creators of Fat Tire Amber Ale. Well, something that we absolutely love is that they're very green, very earth-friendly. They actually brew all of their beer and power their entire plant with solar energy, and they reuse a lot of their byproducts to power and heat their kettles that they use. The owner used to have a dog that roamed the grounds, and it was the company dog that would hang out at your feet and would never turn away from a little belly scratch. And when he passed away, they wanted to name a great beer after him. And their springtime beer that they went was Mighty Arrow, and named after the great Mighty Arrow who roamed the grounds. What I really like about it's a very well-rounded ale. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, so your beer drinker who's normally used to your typical domestic is going to love this handcrafted brew.